Now, I'm not done with my lecture. I still got to talk about some heavyweight things here because we're going to get into how these processes are involved in medicine. Those of you out there that are listening to me in virtual land, you know that you're going to say, well, Professor Paul, why do I have to learn all this stuff? You know, all this stuff is like a foreign language, man. Those words are this long. But guess what? Those big old words are part of what you do in everyday, ordinary life. Real world scenarios that you're going to be exposed to. I want to talk to you about two of those now. One called endocytosis. Okay? And if you look at endocytosis, this is heavy weight, and you'll see here in a minute. In endocytosis, we have the cell incorporates molecules into it by inward bonding. Okay, this process is a gated channel, like a while ago when I was singing, gated channels are endocytosis. You know exactly what I'm talking about. And there's a reason why I put it like that, so that you can sing like that to yourself when you're learning this. And especially, you know, one experience that I had that I'll never forget is at one of my high schools, one of the kids was taking the tax, and he was singing to himself. You could tell, hello, you knew that they were, you know, singing to themselves in terms of gated channels or endocytosis. And I know it's funny. Hello, laugh. It don't matter. Gated channels are exocytosis, because this is one way of remembering. Anyway, endocytosis happens by either phagocytosis or pinocytosis. And of course, this is difficult to remember. But in phagocytosis, the cell membrane wraps around the object, and the object is encased into a large vacuole. Okay? And then in pinocytosis, the process is concerned with taking in single molecules such as proteins, okay? It's very important that you remember that.